Hello beautiful people, today I want to share with you a fantastic tutorial on how to create stunning boho crochet braids using wool. Trust me, this is an incredibly unique and trendy style. Best part, you can create this course without ever having to use flexi rods. Yes, you heard that right. So if this sounds like something you would like to see, then keep watching it. So let's dive right in. Start by cutting the wool into any length of your choice. Once that's done, separate, detangle and comb out small piece of wool. Remember to apply any hair cream of your choice to make the wool easier to work with. Now it's time to create the classic crochet boho braids. To do this, I twisted the wool loosely, like 2 or 3 times before I started braiding. I braided the wool 10 times, then took out a small piece of wool on the right side and continued braiding for another 7 times before leaving out another piece on the left side. Continue till I almost got to the end. After that, I tied the ends of the braids. The same thing all over again. Pick a piece of wool, detangle, separate and twist it loosely around the wool 2 or 3 times before braiding for 10 times. Leave out the first piece on the right side, braid for another 7 times before leaving out another section on the left side, and I continued over and over again till I made all the braids. made about 80 braids in total. To make the curls, I picked about 8 to 10 braids and started by picking the first pieces of wool that I left out in each braid. I trimmed the tip of the wool, added some hair cream, and I brushed it out. Next, I combed out the pieces with an hot comb. Make sure the comb is not extremely hot. Doing this will reduce the amount of frizz in the hair. Next, it's time to make the curls. Remember I said we do not need flexi rods to make these curls. All I did was to braid the pieces of wool left out loosely. It is important to note that all I did was to braid the pieces of wool left out loosely in order to achieve the bow effect. It is also important to note that I picked pieces of wool left out row by row. After that, the next thing to do is to dip the braids into hot water and conditioner mix. Again, you can use any conditioner of your choice. Next, it's time to unravel the braids. Remember to do this carefully so that you don't ruin your curls. Here you have it, gorgeous boho braids using wool. This style is perfect for those who love experimenting and want a neat look that stands out. Thank you so much for tuning in today. In my next video, I'll show you how I installed this DIY crochet boho braids using the invisible method. If you enjoyed this tutorial so far and if you found it helpful, please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more awesome content like this one. Until next time, stay creative and keep styling.